Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the footer in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com and click on the website that you want to edit its footer. This is my website in Google Sites, and as you see, I still uses the footer that Google Sites comes with. Now to edit it, simply click on this edit footer button. This is a text part. I will delete it delete it. And then I will go, where is my footer? Click on add footer again. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask it or write me a footer copy that uses a dynamic year and these are the links to include. Okay, I will give it my website. This is the domain of my website, benz.com. Contact, privacy policy. What is the third page? Terms and conditions. My site name is Ben's tutorial. I think that's enough. Okay. I forgot to clarify that this footer will be used in a Google Sites website. Okay. Okay, I wanted to suit a Google site. Okay, I want good, but I want the year to be dynamic. ID dynamic year. Okay, I think this is good. Copy the code and let's add the embed element in the footer. Switch from by URL to embed code, paste your code like this and click on next. Let's insert this. Let's insert it here, adjust it like this, delete this section, and I will ask it use let's ask for or let's copy my website text font. I think yes, this is my I forgot which theme I am using. Modern font size, Arist. Let's say that, okay, yes, this is it. It's called level. Use the level text font. Perfect. On Google Sites, level is one of the standard fonts. Okay, let's copy the updated code. Go back to the footer section, edit footer. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Sites basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, Also, media, video, and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Perfect. On Google Sites level is one of the standard fonts. Okay, let's copy the updated code, go back to the footer section, edit footer, double click this text, and this window pops up. Delete the old code and paste the updated code. Click on next, insert, and this is my new footer with a dynamic year. So next year, no need to update 2027 because this year is dynamic. Click on publish, publish again, and let's view my footer live. As you see, this is how it looks like. Everything is professional. And this is how to edit the footer. And here, the last thing to check is that the footer section should, no, it is not viewable on other pages. So there is a problem. Let's click on footer. I think this is a just. Let's hit publish. There is nothing to publish. I'm not sure. I think, yes, this specifically for this business location page, the footer was manually hidden. Let's check the other pages, same thing. Okay, this one it was shown. So let's view the footer again. This is the PDF page. As you see, the footer is shown. This is another contact form page. Footer is shown. Same thing for this Google Map page. And now the footer is shown on, I think, most of my pages. If a page does not show the footer, this means that the footer is manually hidden on this page, and you need to show it. And this is how to edit the footer in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.